Briabod, where are you going?
Play area.
Play area.
Oh, Brianna.
And Brianna also.
Where are you going, Brianna?
I don't
Where?
Huh?
I'm going. Free area.
play area.
See you play area with Bri and Brianna.
And Auntie Mayo and Auntie Jen.
Ako na sa Bulong bilang floor.
Yeah.
Hanggang saan?
10.
Ha? Kaya nga hanggang 10 na eh.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Wow! Brianna, are you excited?
Yes.
Oh.
Pero alam niya yung tsura ng number.
Hey.
Sleep? You sleep, Brianna? Kanina yan ang sinasabi niya, pero siya not.
Are you sleepy?
No, it's not. We're near na.
Yeah, we're near.
Bah.
Hello guys. Saan ka na ngayon?
We're here.
We're here in the Bracket.
In the
And Brianna also.
In the clubhouse.
sa back.
Hi,
Nasa
Brianna.
Oy,
Wait.
it's raining.
I got wet.
Okay.
You got wet?
Too.
Yeah. Oh, you got wet also?
I got wet there.
You want to swim there?
No.
There's the swimming pool of duck.
With the duck.
You want to, ano?
Ayun yung mga duck, oh. They swim there. You want picture
Yeah.
there, Brianna?
Yes.
Wow, so
You love each other?
kulay sa tubig. Ganyan na talaga.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Wait lang ha, mag-spray mo lang ako. Wait lang, ate Des.
Since you're happy, remember the day? Do you remember this day?
Yan yung ano, akala ko dito. Swimming.
Ay, it's raining. Isa.
In the swimming pool.
You want to swim?
Cold.
Mama,
I like cold.
this is cold.
I like cold.
You like cold?
Yeah.
Saan kayo kumakain dati doon? Dito. Tapos doon sa paligid.
Oh no, I just wet of them. I just wet too. Again. Oh.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, John. Hi, John.
Hi, memories.
Ow.
Sweat.
Say hi. Say hi. Saks po. May saks po ba sila? Hindi ka nagsabi. Yung walang saks, hindi mo makakapot.
Naiwan mo lang yung anak mo dyan.
Bata na lang. Pero kasi nito ko. Dahil ayaw yung sinabihan nila natin na kailangan.
Walang saksi floor. So, hindi siya makagawa inside.
Sige, baba dyan lang. Bye!
Bye, guys. Oh, sige. Woo! Wow!
Una dati nung tayo pa lang. Yung socks lang.
Kaya nga. Careful. You sit there, oh. Oh, like that, oh. Like Ate Bri, oh. Ha? You can't go. You can't go.
Nagdadala ka. Pero yung mga dyan sa ano? Mga
Brianna. Brianna.
Baka mahulog na. Nung kayo lang, magpunta kayo dito, kayo lang.
Oo, kami lang, wala tao. Kami kay tanmi, kay kami po maguan. Ay, hi guys. Jump. Brianna, jump. Ay, careful.
Sabi ko sino ano yung phone din namin? Sing and dance.
Uy, 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 kikuan.
That's my favorite target. This is my favorite target.
How about me? Wow. Oh, naikulo kayo. Wala kang makan pa naman yan. Bigla. You're not scared. You're not scared.
I close my eyes.
You close your eyes.
Again.
Again. Okay, again. Brianna.
I close my eyes.
No.
Okay, bye-bye. Jenny!
Diana, let's find our friend. Let's find our friend.
Pansit lang yun sa Ay, ay, ay! Doon na! Kung saan nilang cake. Ano maganap sa kanila? Ah, hide and seek sila? You're hiding? Going home na, guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Bye.
It's already night time.
Guys, come on, let's go out of the house. Hi, Sabrina. Where's Auntie? Where's Tita? Hi, guys. This is Yoya's room.
Lola and Lola's room.
This is Yoya and Yoya's room. Let's go to next.
Kitchen. Enjoy.
Ito, taka, bibi. Yung. No,
Apo. Para papanoorin na naman ni Brie. Brie, what's that kasi you're telling? I want to watch Yabot Angels.
Oh, si Brie napapadalas na yun
Diba?
sa bahay.
Dami time. What do you say kasi? I want to watch Yabot Angels. Yung same matagal. Meron yung word eh. Dami minutes. Dami minutes. Basta ayaw niya na shorts.
Are you happy, Brianna and Bria bot?
Mama. Mama. Sino ako, bibi? Oh no, I'm not kissing stuff.
That's the same color.
You have another.
I don't want to touch. There's a bee.
Walang B.
Yeah, there is no.
Dito is different.
And for that time, ginawa kong planes.
Wala.
Hey.
Matulog talaga ako sa
Ayun oh. All of all, it's nice.
Diba can turn on the lights there at Mario?
Yeah. That's nice.
Kaya tignan mo. Jo, ano na?
Napadu.
Saan yan na to? Nakatik.
Jo, ano na?
Napadu.
Jo, ano na? Jo, ano na? Napagod.
You and me.
Kung sinasabi na pagod na pagod. Kaya alam ko pagod na.
This
Okay.
is the kitchen. Yes, go to upstairs.
Ah, you're doing a house tour.
Pantry.
Oh, wow.
Your pantry.
This has ice.
Wow, you have dummy chips
And
naman.
so, like, wake up. Yes, no. Let's go. Let's check
What's inside? Wow!
Mommy,
There's a lot.
Can I eat ice cream? Mommy. Mom, Brianna. Saan yun? Ito. Ito. Which ice cream you want? Black. I want this. I like that. I like this. I like this. Yay!
Yay! Are you
I
happy?
love the rooms. Yeah, but let's get all the rooms first. Different room, okay? Okay. Okay. What is the feeling? Different
That's funny.
It's so funny.
What's this? What's the breed?
Entertainment and
Entertainment.
play.
This is
After school.
no.
2 years old.
Yes, room.
Wow, it's nice. You have a big house.
After school.
Wait, let's turn on the light.
Mukha nung tako dahil salamin man.
This is
Bangga.
after school.
This is Ate's room, Brianna.
This is mommy's room.
Wait. No, ito na yun.
Di ba bala na tour ni, Brianna?
Hey, you show Brianna first. You show Brianna your mommy's room.
Come on,
Hindi ba nakita ni Brianna yung bed? Look at Ate Baby's mommy's room.
What can you say?
I want where I eat.
In your room. Oh, you show the
Let's
bathtub.
check the bathtub. Done it. Done.
Wow, big naman ang
So big bathtub. This is. Let's wash here later.
Yeah.
Shoe.
Can you see?
Shoe. Shoe. Ito si.
But run.
Hunter want to use the toilet.
Brina, you wait, Brianna. How can you clean it? About your room. Where's your room?
That's empty. Pagyabot.
Later.
Pag may parte. Pag maraming tao.
Pagyabot lang.
And the last, this is, whose room is this?
This is mine. This room. That's mine room, Yancy. That's this room. This is my room, Yan. Who like my room? Who? Yeah. This is toys. Mabalita.
Ano?
Mabayon mo ang nibiyama.
Is that yummy?
Ay, look, Ate Mario na, oh.
Say hi, Brianna. Say hi. I'm eating.
What is your food, guys?
Pancit.
Pancit.
Pancit and what?
And,
Pancit.
And
And
what the other?
soup.
tinola.
And adobo. Wala, Brianna, big mouth.
Me too.
Wow, big mouth.
I want pancit.
Ito nga, pancit lang yan.
Ano sa i-vlog? Ano po diya pinlan? Edit ko na dahil.
Na-edit. Hindi, yung mga ano na.